Welcome to our 11 Labs Workshop Lesson 7. Another way to match the script inside of Pictory.ai is to first have the script read in 11 Labs. So for example, when we get to the audio section, one of the things that you'll see is that in the premium area of Victory, you can upload your own voiceover. And if this is the case, what you'll be doing is producing your audio in 11 Labs. What we would do first is to enter our texts into 11 Labs. And what you want to try to do is to logically break your text in the way in which you want it to be narrated. Once you have your text inside of the 11 Labs, you'll then want to have it read in real time, and we will go through that process in the next video. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Head on over to incommonhumans.com for more free masterclasses.